What is up? Today is a special day. You can tell from my shirt, we're gonna get our first dog today. And that dog is a Corgi. As you can see here, we have so many things. We have the toy, the leash with some balls, some snacks. We got shampoo, we got a wiper. And then we have the bed here, super soft. And then the water bowl and the food bowl, and the dolls, even the little cage. Okay, so we're going to the airport right now with my dad driving. We're about to pick up the dog. So cute. Just picked him up from the airport. He's really big already. So cute, Koa. I think that's what we'll name him, Koa. We made it home. Yay! Welcome home. You look so confused. No, doggy? We made it home. We made it home. Yee-hee-hee. You're home, buddy. You're home, buddy. How do you like your new home? Yo, puppy's eating his first meal of the day at the new house. And he got his paw in the water. So cute. Look, his paw's in the water. Yeah, he ate it all already. Favorite toy. Hi. Oh, having fun there, Cool? Oh. That's the spot. That's the spot. Little buddy, shake my hand. Oh, good boy. Are you getting a little tired there? What a good boy. Hi. Oh, you look so tired, boy. We got Koa here. We're going for a drive. Picked up the sister. First time meeting the dog. What are you?
So cute. Hi.
Finally arrived home. Thanks for staying with us. 1 hour, doggy. Yo, what is up, everybody? So the Corgi right there, little pup, currently peed on the floor. So there was a carpet here, but we had to wash it in the washing machine. Right here. It's washing right now because he peed on the carpet. It's okay, he still looks cute though. Yo, what is up, everybody on YouTube? Here's my mom. She's cage training the dog, as you can see right here. Say hi, Koa.
Hi.
He's been barking a lot, but you know, you're doing good so far. It's only been like 30 minutes. We're gonna keep him in there for like an hour. Look how happy he looks. So sad.
Stop.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's 8:30 right now, and we're trying to figure out how to brush this little guy's teeth with this, what is this? Dental kit from Launch Drugs. We'll see how we do. Alright, so after many struggles, we're finally brushing his teeth right there. There you go. Get that scrub in, Judy. It's Yo, so what is up everybody on YouTube? We're at the vet right now for his first checkup, and he may be getting some shots. Yo, what is up everybody on YouTube? You got Koa here right there. He's on top of me. Look at that. What is up everybody on YouTube? This is my mom holding the dog. We're here shopping for diapers, but they're out of the small size, so I have no idea what we're gonna do, but you know, we'll find a diaper for him. Maybe we'll get the washable ones. We'll see. So we got the brushes here and shampoo, Burst and Beast. But we're only here to buy him a stain remover and odor remover when he pees and poops on the floor, you know what I'm saying? Yo, what is up everybody on YouTube? Right now it's 6 in the morning. We're giving the dog a bath. Alright, so we left Koa at home by himself. We went to church for a few hours, and I won't come back until 7 at night, but Judy will come back around like 4, which is a few hours from where we left him, and we'll see how Koa does alone. But I'll be back home around 7, so you know, I miss him already. So I'm back from work and we're feeding Koa food. How are you doing, boy? I guess all is well. Get that daily playtime in. Woo! Yo, what is up everyone on YouTube? What day is this, Amma? This is day 5. Day 4 of having the dog, and his ears are up, which means he's happy, you know. Good dog. So cute. He likes hanging around under this table. I don't know why. Yo, what is up everybody on YouTube? So today is the 5th day that we have Koa, and it looks like he's about adjusting, you know. See him right here? The dog. So cute. His ears are up. So, you know, you can tell he's not as stressed out, because before only one ear was up and one ear was down, which means he was stressed out. So, yeah, he's being a good boy. Yo, what is up everybody on YouTube? So we went to Petco and we bought a Nylabone healthy edible omega-3 puppy bone. It's for 3 months dog, but our dog is like 2 months and a half, I think, years old in human years. But it's okay, we're gonna feed him the bone because he keeps biting everywhere, you know. Show him that. Not right now, but tomorrow morning. Yo, what is up everybody on YouTube? Happy Thanksgiving. So we gave Koa the bone this morning. And guess where he hid it? Come here in his cage. You look under the pad. Oh, he knows I'm going for the bone. You go under the pad. He dug a hole. And there's the bone. There's the bone. He's finding it. There's the bone. We give him a bone. Update number 2. You hit it under the pad. Over there. Keep going. What is up, everybody on YouTube? He's very scared of the Roomba, the electric robot, as you can see. And he's scared of this queen, I think. What is up, everybody on YouTube? So we have Koa here. We're gonna brush his hair. Good dog. Alright, so we got a free cookie from Petco because Koa was cute. You know, look at that face. He wants some more cookies. But I think that's enough for now. Should we give him one more?
No.
Enough for now. Sorry, Koa. See, you can tell he wants it. He's looking at it. But yeah. Stop looking at the cookies. Welcome to the last day of the vlog, day 7. It's been 1 week since we had Koa join the family over here, and we're giving him treats right now.
Sit. Good job. Okay. Okay. Go down. Go down. Go down. Good job. Okay. Go up. Go up. Go up. 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 Go sit up.
Okay, so we're still working on standing up, but he's learning. That's day 7 of Koa the Corgi. Any last words, Koa? No? Goodbye. Say bye. Thank you for watching Koa the Corgi. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see more videos. Bye.
Ooh.